angels, this is Mystic Z from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your most awaited weekly pick a card reading. What is coming next in your love, career, work, education? Yes, this is a charms reading, friends. Please do subscribe, Magic Wins Tarot friends. Please do like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much. Many angel blessings to you, friends. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is for the week of 5th to the 11th of July, but you can watch it anytime. It will help you out because we have the full moon eclipse. A lot is happening this week. Oh my god. So join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. Okay friends, let's take a deep breath. Let's take a deep breath, relax and choose option 1, the crab. This beautiful orange crab. Option number 2, this beautiful cute happy dog. Option number 3, this beautiful peacock. Relax, take a deep breath and choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps in the comment section below, friends, so you can directly skip to the number you have chosen. If not, you can also choose more than one pile, friends. No problem in that. So let us see. For those who chose option number 1, how this week will be. For option number 1, who chose the crab, beautiful, very exciting. We have a full moon eclipse this week. There is a full moon eclipse happening on the 5th, right, when when you are watching this reading, or even just a day like that. Also this, there is the sun in Cancer, so Saturn has also entered Capricorn, so a lot is happening, a lot is happening. It's a powerful eclipse, it's a powerful full moon for us, and it will bring a lot of things for us, karmic releases. We'll see. This is your advice for the full moon, how it will affect you. Let's see your romance angels messages. We're gonna look at them in the end. Let's see your cards, and then we are going to look into the charms. 8 of Cups, Ace of Pentacles. Interesting, very interesting. I hope you can see the cards. And the 7 of Pentacles. Very nice. The Queen of Pentacles. The 6 of Cups and the Temperance. This is beautiful, friends. This is absolutely beautiful. I feel most of you, you are trying to move past a situation. I think you have ended a relationship recently, or a marriage. I don't know. I see you walking away from some things in life. Sorry, friends. I see that you have recently ended a relationship, or you had a breakup, or you had something from the past that you are ready. I think this is the past energy. You have already moved ahead of it. You have already let that go, the bye-bye, the bad things. It could be a relationship. For others, it is a job. Some of you are planning to change your home, I feel like relocate or something. Or some of you are wanting to change your career. I feel definitely this week is about moving on. This week is about new things coming into your life, and you leaving behind anything that doesn't serve you, and you attracting new things in your life, and not just in work, which I see you will be having, like a new work or more money. I think you're waiting for something to happen since a very long time. It's like something It could be in work or love. You're waiting for something to happen, like money to come in or love to come in from a very, very long time. I see like from 7 months, 7 years, 6 years, 5 years, you're waiting for a job or money or that new lover to come in or that relationship to come in. Yes, it is going to come in for you, friends. Yes, a new start, a renewed start is going to happen for you in this week. There is a soulmate relationship that will be important to you, or you are going to connect with your soul friends, your soul family, all those people that are yours. You are going to connect with those people. If you don't have your right now any soulmate or soul friends, they are coming your way this week, friends. Yes, absolutely. Extra support, emotional support, extra love is coming your way. For some of you, if you are in a twin flame relationship, yes, things are going to get better in your twin flame relationship. Absolutely. I also feel like some of you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person this week. Or you could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or you could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel, friends, there is a relationship. Maybe it's your twin flame or someone you know, a very deep connection. There is someone you know from a long time, or you have met them recently. But I think this person doesn't give you. The give and take is not balanced in this connection. So this week there is a chance of things getting balanced for you, and some sort of a happy message, or you're waiting for something to happen in love. It is going to happen, friends. Someone is going to value you, someone is going to show you love and respect. We will see with the charms also, so don't worry about it. For others of you, if this person is still not choosing you, or if a relationship is still not giving or fulfilling to you, or they are not valuing you, you may decide to move ahead or move out of it. In work and education, let's see. Yeah, definitely, friends, a new opportunity is coming for work, or you are trying to manifest a new job or a new career or more money. You want that money, you want that thing. Something will happen, because I see you're frustrated with your career, friends. You are not happy. You may have left your job, or you may be planning to leave a job. You are worried. Will you get a new chance? Will you get that hope? Will someone help you out? Yes, yes, it will happen. Someone is going to help you out. Someone will guide you. They will help you. Some new job may also come, or some new idea will come that will help you in your job or career. I also feel if you're waiting for payments or refunds, etc., to come in, yes, there is a chance of them coming in. If you are a student, someone who is elder to you, probably your mother, your grandparent, your aunt, your teachers, or some senior, or someone you meet online, is going to help you, friends, in your education. And I see some of you could be traveling this week, or you want to relocate or travel, or change your home, or something like you want something about Europe, England, Canada. All those areas are important. Like maybe you want to go there for higher education or something, but you can't right now. So help is coming. Help is coming your way this week. But I definitely see you releasing the past, especially in love. Absolutely. You are saying bye bye to something. You are moving ahead, and it will give you, or you have already moved ahead in the past. So now this week will bring you something that was missing from your life and that you had been waiting for. Let's see your advice for the eclipse and the full moon, and then we are going to look into the charms. Let's see what is your advice. What will the full moon bring to you, or what will the eclipse bring into your life? Work through your fears. New moon in Scorpio. Oh my God, see? I think you are a tiny bit scared, because you have maybe you are worried about letting go things, or maybe you are worried about whether this new start will happen or not. And look at this, you have chosen the crab, and this is the Scorpio. So Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is important, friends. I think this is an emotional week for you. You may feel a lot of. You will try to stop yourself, friends. Do not do that. You have luck with you, and anything that you want to leave behind, go for it. Whether it is a bad habit or a toxic relationship. And no, and if you have already done that, rest assured, these new things are coming. You are on the right path. Let's see your romance angels messages. Then we're gonna look into the charms. Chemistry. There is strong magnetic attraction here. Absolutely, someone is. If you are single, there is a new connection coming for you. This person may be elder to you, or you may be elder to this person. There is a strong chemistry and attraction in this connection. I also feel this could be a person from your past coming back, or some sort of a message or exchange happening in between both of you. Or if you are married, if you are married in a like you are married, there will be a lot of passion in that marriage coming back, you know. It's like, yeah, it's nice. Let's see your charm so we can have more guidance. So focus on the passion. What makes you excited this week? Go for it, friends. Go for it. For pile number one, how this week will be. Oh my god. Oh, that was insane. What happened? That was a G. That stuck to my ring actually and just flew off. It's a G. Maybe that's important to you. It's so hot, friends. I have like a sore throat. Not like it's because of anything, but it's so hot. It's like, wow, you have number 37 and the alphabet P. Ooh. They are stuck together, P and B. Wow, that might be important. Maybe someone is in a bank or some banking system, or money. You are worried about money, of course, right? Money is coming, friends. Don't worry about it. Rest assured, money is coming. So can you make a word? Yeah, he. You can make a he. You can make a hen. Or yeah, you can make these words. Hen might be important. So the alphabets are G, P, H, E, N and B. You can make the word Ben also. So maybe someone by the name Ben or a pen. Maybe someone is going to write a message to you, or you will write someone a message. I also think you should write a little, you know, you should start writing your ideas or long-term views, because something is stopping you, friends. Work through your fears. You know, if you start to, I would suggest you to write in a diary or something your long-term views or ideas this week. It will be helpful. Alphabets are P, G, H, B, E, N. You also have the apple. So definitely you are the apple of someone's eye. This person really likes you. It could be a new crush for some of you. It could be a soulmate or a twin flame coming back to you. Also, I feel if you have some health issues, anxiety, worry, if you are feeling hopeless, friends, rest assured healing is going to happen. Rest assured things are going to recover. Number 18 is important. Number 22, 222, angels are supporting you, friends. Number 37 is important. So maybe these are ages 18, 22, 37 or birth dates. This pink hat, I think you are very strong, friends. You are very strong, but sometimes you need a little motivation, or right now you need to be a little motivated to make a new start, or you know that angels are with you. You have that support, or someone is going to support you this week, whether it is in love, work or career. It will be very nice. Let us see, you have the tree of life, so family is important, and also marriage and commitment, and someone you have studied with or someone you know from a long time is important. Wow, there is this Leo. See, there is this lion charm with the heart star on it. So absolutely be fearless, be strong, and I definitely see something new is coming in your life, this Ace of Pentacles. Also An Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or maybe your divine masculine or feminine is important to you. Also, you have this nest, bird nest. So yes, friends, definitely housing issues, moving a house, or what is love, you know, all those things are important. Someone really, you want to build a house with someone or build a nest with someone. Hello, I'm better than you. So definitely, I feel there is a person who likes you, and don't forget to save. I told you, you are waiting for some money to come in. You know, you're waiting for some money to come in. It's going to come, some refund, some payment. This leaf, you are letting go of something, friends. I told you, Eight of Cups. You are moving ahead. You don't want that energy. King of Cups, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is important. Past life, yeah. The issues you are dealing right now are from the past life, and you have already moved ahead of them, friends. See, there is this work through your fears. It's just that you have moved away from them. All these hardships, you just don't know it yet. You will see it in August that you have things are changed for you in your love life, career, and money. April is also important for you. Seven of Years, someone has ghosted you or mistreated you. That person could be coming back, or you want to move ahead of them. Mars, take action. You have the lion charm also, so take action. Art, I told you, write, paint, you know, do something creative. This is that week when art and creativity will help you, and absolutely money is coming your way, and a soulmate connection, and lot of support is coming your way. That's it for now, friends. Do subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot. Do like and share Magic Wednesday Tarot. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, friends, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, and join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye. So for those who chose option number 2, this beautiful dog card, let's see how this week will be for you. This is a charms reading, friends. We're gonna look into the charms also. This is an important week. We start with the full moon in eclipse, and in Capricorn, the sun is in Cancer. This is your what the eclipse or the full moon will bring for you. This is your romance angels advice for the week. Let's see. And also Mercury will be going direct at the end of this week, so finally some good news. Oh my god, Two of Cups, yay, that's interesting. And the Three of Pentacles and the King of Swords in reversed. Okay, the Page of Pentacles. Oh my god, the Five of Wands, okay, and the Justice. Oh my god. This week is all about love, relationships, and family. Oh my god, this is a big week focused on love and relationships or friendships for you, friends. Absolutely out and out. I think you are dealing, there is a situation which is making you very frustrated, friends. There is an argument going on and on and on and on. I think you are fighting with someone, or someone is arguing or fighting with you. It could be a lover, or it could be a family member, your husband or wife, ex-husband or wife. I think this thing is not getting over. It's like this fight, this tussle keeps going on. And even this week, this person, I feel like this person keeps running away from you, or it's like when you want them, this person runs away, and when you move out, this person wants you. So it's frustrating. There is an argument happening. If it's not happening right now, there is a chance it may happen, friends, in this week for you. Sorry to say that, but yes, it can be a past argument with your parent, your friends, your family, some issue that is from the past, but it may come up again this week. And since it is a general reading, it may be different for all of you. Like for some of you, it would be a partnership, love relationship. For others, it could be a parent-child argument. with your parents or family members or your brothers and sisters. A minor issue, nothing great. But for your love life, I see you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I also feel you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or you could be, our viewers could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I feel, friends, this person wants to offer you something, and there is a very strong chance this person wants to offer you commitment, or there will be some sort of a communication coming in from this person, or this situation will be important this week. This situation where there is a lot of arguments or fights or ghosting happening, you don't see eye to eye with each other. This person wants to offer you love. This person wants to offer you commitment. This person also wants to work things with you out. This person wants to work things with you. They might have put you, it's like you don't trust this person. So this person will try to win your trust or make you feel better. I think you had been friends and then you started dating them, or then you moved into a relationship, or you have friend zoned this person, but still there is this argument happening. You don't see eye to eye. So this person wants to win you again. They want to at least make things better for both of you. And why is this happening? This is because it is karmic. It is a past life thing. It is a past life issue. It could be that you are fighting for any custody if you are married, or any legal issues also in any area of life. You can expect some justice to happen this week or in the coming weeks. Also, maybe this person is the one you are destined to get married to later ahead. So this is a karmic situation. Something needs to happen or something needs to resolve. Also, I feel if this person ghosted you or something, there will be justice in this situation. Some of you, I feel like you are asking, when will my justice happen? When will I get my justice? Because you are very loyal. Our viewers, you are like the dogs, very loyal, unconditionally loving. You may even be dog lovers or animal lovers. I see there is an age gap in this relationship. It could be a same-sex relationship for some of you. This relationship is affected. It could be, it may not be a love relationship. It could be a friendship for some of you, a parent or a child relationship, or a marriage like husband and wife or ex-husband and wife situation for some of you. But this person is coming. There will be some sort of a justice or some sort of a resolution happening in this connection. Absolutely. You both are going to meet at the same place, at the same page. Something will resolve. This will give you happiness, peace of mind. That's what you need, peace of mind. If you are in work, if you are asking for work, there is a lot of confusion going on in your mind in this week regarding work. Some of you want to change your work, or some of you are not happy where you are working. Some of you are looking for your first job or something, but it's not coming. So there is a lot of issues, a lot of issues regarding your work. There's a little confusion regarding your work, but I see that justice is going to happen, clarity is going to come your way, and you are going to find friendly people at your work, and new partnerships or new business offers can happen. Or maybe if you are learning for something creative, you can find new people like artists, musicians, dancers, painters. That way will be this is a creative week for you work-wise. I see if you're waiting for some news for an exam, I see it might be postponed. If you are waiting for an exam or an interview call or a job call, I'm sorry to say that, but it is going to be postponed, and you may have a mixed feelings about it. You may be not, some of you will be happy that it's postponed. Some of you will be like, oh, I was supposed to get that job. Why they didn't call me? Why have they postponed the interview? I need that job. So if you are waiting for news, it might get postponed. Sorry to say, but yes. I also see if you are a student, you will be focusing more on learning new things, learning new skills. Some of you could be getting your first payment, or you will start something like teaching someone, or something like, making something on your own, and you will get your first payment. It may not be very big, but I do see some of you starting something with your friends and getting paid for it. It may be like, you stitch something and sell it, but you earn from it, even if it's a penny, even if it's a little amount, but I see you earning. Some of you could be earning a lot maybe in the future from this, but right now I see you starting on a new idea if you are a student. Also, if you are some of you could be learning something about laws, online things, online courses, workshops. You will be doing something. Some of you could also be doing some online dating, friends. Yes, I do see that here. Yes, my lovely fellows. You could be dating online, or someone wants to date you online. Yes, it's also coming there, especially if you are a student or a young person. It's there. So let's see what will happen on this full moon for you, or how the full moon will affect your life. Your hard work is paying off. New moon in Capricorn. Wow. This full moon is in Capricorn, this eclipse, and so definitely this is a powerful full moon for you, and everything that you had been working for, whether it is in love or career or life in general, it is going to pay off, friends. Your hard work will be rewarded, and you are going to feel absolutely happy. This marriage, this relationship, or this business partnership, or this union is coming. It is well deserved for you, friends. Yes, it may happen this week or in the coming weeks ahead, friends, as it is a general reading. We'll see with the charms what else we'll get. The romance angels messages for you. It's safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of love. So yes, friends, this is a time you should keep your heart open. I see you may not trust this person, or you may not feel ready for love, or you may not feel trustworthy of any new person coming in. But I think it is safe for you to say yes to love, because something that happened in the past was destined to happen. It was a past life issue, it was karmic, but what is coming is beautiful and absolutely loving and beautiful connection. So let's see your charms for pile number 2, how this week will be. Oh my god. Wow, lots of charms came out for you. Lots of initials are coming today. That's interesting, because last week we had very few initials. So there is I, O, there is M, O, L. There is, wow, number 4 is stuck in it. So that might be important for some of you. Okay, now I can't. Okay, got it. And there is E, there is G. Wow. So there is me. You can make the word gloom. Maybe you are sad. Maybe you are sad. Maybe you are gloomy, you are sad. But I don't think so you need to be, or someone is missing you. So that Om, yeah, this is a spiritual week for you. See, spiritual things are going to happen. You see this Om, the letter Om. Maybe Omi, you are dealing with someone named with Om, Omi. So your alphabets are O, M, I, G, E, L, E. Wow. You have the tortoise. So yeah, some situation which is moving very slowly. So you may feel like, you are working hard, but where is the reward? Friends, it is coming your way, absolutely. Tortoise is slow but steady. Your reward is coming. You also have the iron. So something will be fixed, friends. Something will be fixed which was bothering you, maybe in love or relationships. You have the elephant charm. So definitely, friends, this week someone wants to share something with you, some message, some information, some love letter or something. Number 4 is important for you. Number 7 is also important for you, friends. Don't forget to save. I feel like Don't forget to save. It's like someone is watching your past memories or something, you know. Wow, you have 5 and not just on one but on two dices. What is going on, friends? Look at this. There is a 5, there is a, sorry friends, uh, here it is, the 5. See? Wow, this is a week for change for you, friends. Big changes are coming, big destined changes, and you know, this is a big week, friends. Trust me, this is a big week. I don't think so you realize it, but I am telling you now, something destined, angel wing. You are very protected. You don't need to worry. You can say yes to love, to new people, new friendships. Uh, the car is here. I think someone will be moving towards you, or you want to buy a new car or have more prosperity in life. It will happen, friends. Your hard work will pay off. Don't worry. You also have this green. I think this is for healing. Something is healing in your life and justice will be done. Something like if you are dealing with legal issues, they will go in your favor, or relief will come in that. Or you also have the teapot, so something is you know, something is boiling for you. It's like something is happening but it hasn't happened yet, but it will happen very very soon. So yes, hello, I'm yours. See, someone wants to commit to you. Someone loves you. They want to commit to you. They can't live without you. It could be an old lover, new lover, someone, a friendship. It's destined, friends. It's destined. See, paperclip. Someone is very attached to you. They are looking at your old pictures, or you are missing them. September is important, so maybe it will happen in September. What you are working for, it could be a work thing, or September is the birth date. 8 of Wands. Definitely communications are coming in, friends. I think you are waiting for communications. Absolutely. December is important. So yeah, September and December. Knight of Cups, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces could be important. Monkey, someone is very naughty, someone is very mischievous, and you are done with their mischief. You are like, it could be like if you are married, it could be a son or a daughter that's very naughty and you are a little tired of them, or it could be a partner that keeps changing their feelings, so you are a little tired of it. It could be an ex-lover. See, it could be an ex-lover that doesn't communicate or keeps coming in and doesn't say anything. So yeah, it's frustrating. 4 of Wands, marriage, commitment, oh my god, twin flame, all those things are big issues this week, friends. It's an absolutely spiritual and an amazing week for you, and a week that will bring you long-term rewards. So that's it for now. Do subscribe, Magic Vens Tarot, friends. Do subscribe, like and share. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com, friends. Please do subscribe if you are watching, friends. We work very very hard, so do subscribe. It keeps me motivated. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot. This is Mystic C Singh. Bye. For those who chose option number 3, let us see what's coming next for you in this week. This is a charms reading, friends. Don't forget that. And let's see. This is your advice for the full moon. This is your love messages and the peacock. Wow. Your cards are the Knight of Wands. Interesting. The Page of Swords. Okay. The Devil. Ooh, the Devil. The Fool. And the 5 of Swords. Oh my god. The Empress and the Strength. Wow, you have 4 major arcana straight away. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is very interesting. Wow, this is very interesting. I feel, friends, you could be dealing with a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, friends, or a Capricorn, as here is the Capricorn, or a Virgo. I feel you could be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or you could be Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. I also feel you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, friends. I feel, you know, You are missing someone this week, someone who has ghosted you or left you, or someone who cheated on you, or like you moved on from someone, you walked away from someone. You seem to be missing this person. You can't seem to get them out of your head. You can't seem to forget this person this week. This may be, this you feel very drawn to them, you feel very attracted towards them, and the more they push you away, the more you feel attracted towards them. I feel there is a strange connection between you and this person. It could be a physical connection, or it could be a deep emotional connection, but you can't forget this person. And this person also can't forget you. They keep thinking about you, you keep thinking about them. And no matter how much you want to walk out, or you both have tried to walk away from this relationship, you still feel chained to them. I feel if I feel this person will be talking to you again, or you will be thinking about them, or there will be someone coming towards you, mentioning them, or mentioning or talking about them. I see this person coming and talking to you. Also, if you are single, oh my God, a very, very sudden, a very passionate, a very, let's just have fun kind of a person is coming towards you. It will be a very exciting and a passionate connection. You may feel like, oh my God, this is the dream person. Oh my God, how are they? Why are they talking to me? This is a person who is very flamboyant. They are like a peacock. So they are very bold, they are very charming, they are very sexy. Even if she's a woman, she's very sure. So you'll be like, why is she talking to me? What does she want from me? But I think that, yeah, that person is coming. It could be your ex-lover, twin flame, or you are someone you married with. There is a, your ex-husband or wife, they could be coming again towards you, or someone you dated in the past but you had moved away from them. They are coming back, they want a fresh start with you. They see you as this beautiful person, they see your beauty, and they want to be with you. I feel this connection is actually very strong. But there are some issues like anger, or like you feel dependent on each other. There is something toxic in this connection, so that needs to be worked upon, and there is a chance you both will work on healing this connection this week. I also feel if you are married, there is a chance of you getting pregnant, or you working on those things, or I also feel your partner may feel very angry or very highly intensely emotional, charged up, so an anger issue or a fight can happen. So be patient and be calm. But definitely issues regarding family, mother, and anger, addictions, or even sexual chemistry, all those things are highlighted this week for you, friends. If you are single, you may meet someone which is very tempting. Even if you are married, there might be someone coming towards you with a lot of temptation, and wow, you might want to say yes to them. It could be an ex-lover or your twin flame. Even if you are married, this person wants to talk to you. Okay, let's talk about work. Wow, I see that in work you could be, working too much this week. You are like, you want to prove yourself, you want to outgrow, you want to put, all your efforts in your work. It could be that you may feel a little overworked, or you may overwatch, online things, like you are working online, so you may overdo it, or you may over binge watch things. I see you doing something online again and again, and it can, like you're watching repeating something like again and again, again and again. It's online, you are doing something. Maybe you are studying, maybe you are watching a movie or listening to a song on a loop this week. So relax, take some time out. You can exhaust yourself. Also, I feel you may feel very bold, you may feel very sure of yourself. You may want to overachieve this week, over ambitious. You may want to take a risk this week, which may or may not be very good idea for you. I think you may become very risky while you are driving, or while spending money, or maybe you're not taking precautions of the current issues, like the sanitization and those. So don't do that, friends. Take your precautions, please. Trust me, it's good. You may want to be a little adventurous this week, friends, especially in your work and your career. You may want to, like, yeah, I want to just jump into everything. Relax, take a break, and focus on your health also. I think you are neglecting your health for some of you, so take care of your health also. Especially, I think some of you are having headaches or something, so I think that is because you may be not sleeping properly or sleeping enough, or maybe you are watching something again and again that's bothering you. So take a break, relax, spend some time outside, have some green tea or something. Also, if you are a student, I see you may be very drawn to new things in life. You maybe feel very drawn to new people, or people from some new courses, some new someone new maybe in your life, some new course, some new people, some new environment. So take care, friends, take care. You may want to learn a new culture, or you may start learning a new language this week. So there is a lot of focus on learning new things and being quite risky and adventurous. I do not see you focusing on money at all. You want to learn, grow, and take some risks this week. Let's see what the full moon will bring for you. The answers you need are coming. Full moon in Gemini. That's so beautiful, friends. You also have this Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Or you could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So friends, there is something that you need an answer to. You need a solution. Maybe in love, career, or education. Yes, the answers you need are coming, friends. Do not worry about it. And you are on the right path, and things are going to work out for you. Let's see your romance angels messages. Let your friends help you, ask for and accept support from others. Definitely, friends, I told you, you want to do things alone this week, and you may want to exhaust yourself or overdo things. So I think it is a good time to ask your friends to join you, talk with you, or help you if you are feeling over anxious or overtly angry or upset. Talk with your friends, make some new friends. I do see you making some new friends. So there are some new supportive people around you. So talk and share. Let's see your charms. Option number 3 this week for option number 3. All right. Wow. Again, number 20 is stuck with the N. So maybe New Zealand is important for you. I don't know why I got New Zealand, but yeah, and number 20 is important. There is the P, there is A, and there is E. So this is the Annie. Maybe someone with the name of Annie is important, or pain, or the alphabets are P, A, N, E, and T. So maybe you are dealing with a doctor, ENT specialist or something, or you yourself are a doctor or healer, or you will learn, or you are waiting for some healing to happen, health issues to recover. It will happen this week. And it is also, you are very hardworking, friends. You are working a lot this week. So take some rest. Don't forget that. And ANTPE, there is the number 20, there is the number 1. Wow, new start. The Fool is also here. New start is coming for you. Oops. Number 31, so that might be important for you. And number 666 is important. And you also have this car. So I feel like you're waiting for some new opportunities, or a new start, or some ambition, some goal to complete or start. It will happen, friends. You are on the right path. Wow, see, this is about this is about like friendships, gossip. This is also the 3 of Swords card. Like, you could be dealing with a third party, If not, a relationship, can be healed by talking with your friends, as it said. Maybe a relationship issue can be healed because because you invite other people to help you out. Also, this is about celebrating with your friends. I also feel there is a third party, and that's what is up making you upset. But I think it will resolve, friends. The issues, the answers you seek are coming. See this card, the answers you seek are coming. The red flower, you are very passionate this week, friends. Absolutely. This is the golden bead. This is about, life is difficult, but life is still enjoyable, that this is what it reminds me. Let's see your charms first, and then we're gonna look at the cards. You have a lot of charms. The tree of life, so definitely a twin flame connection is important. You have this coin, so definitely money is coming your way, absolutely, or some goal, or some financial success is coming your way. The butterfly, things are changing, friends. Things are changing. There is this fool. Things are changing in positive ways for you. You have this leaf. So definitely you are waiting for some answer. It will be coming your way. This is like the clover leaf. So luck is with you. This is also the twin leaf. This is like you climbing the ladder of success will be there, a relationship progressing. Someone wants to tell you how much they like you. I think they are not telling you. The flower lady, the lady with this water pot, I think you're working very hard, on a work or relationship. You may feel like nothing is happening or all your hard work is wasted. No, it will work out. You also have this space. What is this? It's a warrior, actually. It's a warrior. I don't know if you can see it or not. Look at this. It is a warrior in armor. Wow. So definitely someone is not telling you how they feel. They are keeping their emotions to themselves, but they will be sharing their feelings. Keep your eyes open because you have the owl. So messages are coming, and letters or text or emails are coming. What is this? Let me see. You have the deer charm, the mother deer and the baby deer. You have the deer. So deers are like the strength. Take care of your body. Take care, protect yourself. Take care of yourself. Again, you have a owl charm, so definitely you will be learning new things, friends. Absolutely. You also have the heart charm, with love, made with love. So definitely someone wants to tell you how much they love you. You also have the pen, feather pen. So it is like some messages are coming. I think you want a solution for something. The answers you seek are coming. It is again and again coming, like you are waiting for something or some answer or some message. It is coming, friends. You also have this feather. So definitely you are very, very protected this week. You have nothing to worry about. Three of Wands, forward movement, progress is coming. King of Coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus is important. Money is coming. Money issues will resolve. Six of Cups, happiness, soulmate friendships. Soul friends are coming. See, Eight of Coins. Your focus is a lot on work, really. And again, see here, you are going to master something, maybe some goal, or you want to go for higher education, or some relationship you want to ace in it, friends. You want to be your best this week, and that is exactly what you are, will be the best. But relax also, take some rest also, don't forget that. And that's it for now. Wishing you a happy week. Do subscribe Magic Vends Tarot, like this video, click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vends Tarot, and to buy your own personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye.